Okay, before you go and hit that subscribe button, let me tell you what this channel is all about and what we do here. And then make sure you wait through the very end for some special instructions. On this channel, Learn Tai Chi at Home, I'm meeting all kinds of people just like you. People who are looking for better health, the promise of living longer but feeling younger, and people who want the relief from anxiety and worry, finding the calm of inner peace and tranquility. I'm David-Dorian Ross, and I have the notion that everyone can and possibly should learn Tai Chi, and you can absolutely do it in the comfort of your own home. If what you're looking for in life is the ability to do more, to be pain-free, to find new levels of creativity and prosperity and passion in your life, then you need to practice these things. And these are the very things that Tai Chi will teach you how to do. So as an example, my career goal was to be the best Tai Chi teacher in the world. It's been 40 years since I took my first Tai Chi class, and in that time, I've won 8 U.S. national gold medals, world silver medal, and 2 world bronze medals. I've also made 150 DVD programs and TV episodes, including the first PBS special on Tai Chi and the #1 best-selling Tai Chi DVD in the world. Well, who can say who's the greatest Tai Chi teacher in the world? But after all this time, I believe that I can say that I'm the world's foremost expert on how to teach Tai Chi. I still wake up every morning excited and curious, eager to experiment with new ways to connect and share Tai Chi. So on this channel, we're using 360-degree video, virtual reality, movie quality cinematography, and of course, live streaming to reach students all over the world. So here's what we've made for you on this channel. You're going to find hundreds of videos. In fact, it's the largest collection of Tai Chi videos on any channel on YouTube. Full-length lessons for beginners, Tai Chi tips and tricks for people my age and older, I'm 60, demonstrations of traditional Tai Chi routines, and dozens of 5, 10, and 15-minute Tai Chi workouts that you can do even if you know nothing about Tai Chi. Okay, so that's what this channel is all about. That's what we do here, and that's who I am. Now, if you're still with me, now you can hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you can join me in learning Tai Chi at home. Because I really believe that if you do that, you can make the next 20 years of your life even better than the last 20 years. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.